Want to see exactly what ads your competitors are running on Facebook? Here's how to spy on them legally and for free. First, go to Facebook Ads Library by searching Facebook Ad Library on Google or visiting facebook.com/ads/library. Once there, select your country and type your competitor's page name in the search bar. You'll see a list of all active ads they're running, including images, videos, headlines, and ad copy. You can even see when each ad started, which helps you know which creatives they have been running the longest. Assign those ads might be performing well. Use what you found to get ideas for your own campaigns, like what offers they're promoting and what formats they are using and what kind of messaging they lean on. Just remember, don't copy them directly. Use these insights to inspire unique ads that fit your brand. If you want to take it further, keep checking their ad library every week to spot new creatives and stay ahead of changes in their strategy. Like, subscribe, and comment if you would like help creating winning ads based on what you find.